Brian is going to assess you. I know that you've already been assessed. Well, it's similar to that, but it's a different version. This one is a version for employment. My part of this course is to get you up and running and in the know of 2018, what's happening in the workforce. How do we make you stand out above all the other applicants and get you the job? Okay, last year, I think we told you at orientation, 6 out of 7 of our people were hired. Boom. And the companies called and said, wow, what did you do with them? They're amazing. It was great. It made me feel very happy. So we work really hard with you. So we want to keep that momentum going.
I'm going to be taking care of math with you. I know that some of you are in the GED math program here. Well, hopefully I'll be able to enlighten your experience in mathematics. Okay? My approach is totally different than what you'd probably see in a classroom, where it's not going to be a book and do these problems and figure this out. It's going to be more hands-on and being able to think mathematically. Very important in anything in industry that you're able to think mathematically. This whole program is very comprehensive, meaning it's going to do a lot of different things for you. Whether you end up going into the spring and stamping or manufacturing in that realm is, to me, important, but not exclusive. We're going to prepare you for those kind of things, but we talk about transfer of skills, being able to apply what you learn here into different and varying environments.
And believe me, there will be days when you guys will be happy that you are a team, because it will be difficult. You will be tired. You will say, oh my God, why did I do this? I don't want to do this anymore. I'm going to quit. And I want you all to stick together, okay? Because in the end, in May, I want you all to be there, nicely dressed, and getting a certificate and say, we did it.